We're mixing purple today. Hi, this is Jeannie Conant-Kramer, and this can go for oils, acrylics, watercolors, pastels, pretty much any medium. So let's go to the palette and get started. Okay, here we go. Let's mix some purple. I've got my blue here. Take a little bit of that, add some red, get that mixed in. And again, I'm adding a little white to this in a minute because even though I can see it fairly well with my eye here in the studio, it looks different on camera. It's a little darker on camera. So blue and red together. I've got this beautiful red violet going on here. I can add a touch more blue. And violet and purple, I like to say violet. I just like that word better, I guess, than purple. But truly, it's purple in the art. When you're mixing paints, we're really making purple. Violet is, I believe, it's like a spectral color. So anyway, we're going to put a little more blue in this because it is going towards the red violet or red purple. Let me add some white to lighten it up so you can see it better. So there we go. There's our purple. Okay, so red and blue, and experiment with different blues and reds. Purple can be tricky to mix. It's there's lots of different shades of blue, lots of different shades of red. There's phthalo blue, which is my favorite. There's cobalt blue and ultramarine blue and so forth. So try a couple different ones and see what you think. Purple, you know, can be a little tricky to mix. But there you have it. Blue and red, generally speaking, make purple. Okay, see you in the next video.